In this video, we will show you how to replace your tailgate upper molding on this Ford F-150. This will be located along the upper portion of your tailgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With your tailgate down, we're going to start removing the hardware that holds the inboard panel in place. On our application, it looks as though some of the hardware has been replaced, so I'm going to be using a Phillips head and a T25 Torx. Inspect and replace the hardware as necessary. Are we over towards the other side now? Get that rubber grommet off of there. Now with that out of the way, let's remove this metal panel. Now we can focus on that upper trim panel. You're going to find that there's several push clips making their way all the way across the tailgate that you need to remove. To remove the push clips, along the center, there's a small tab that you want to push in to unlock each of these. With it in the unlock position, continue on with a trim tool or a small prying device and lift them up and out of place. Just grab that inner portion there, reinstall it. A quick inspection of your tabs, we'll move along. Got our last one on the far end here. These are pretty much all just separating. I'll replace them. Once you have all those locking clips out of there, we're going to have to look inside of the tailgate now. Inside along the top of the tailgate, you're going to find a whole bunch of black tabs that protrude from the top, down and through, and these are part of the molding that we're replacing. We need to squeeze those in. You could use your fingers or even some pliers if necessary, and while squeezing those in, we'll be using a plastic trim tool along the outside, gently moving this out of place. There's one. There we are. Continue down the line. Now, since we are replacing this, let's just go ahead and tug on it to break it free. There it is, friend. Before we install the brand new trim panel, let's go ahead and clean and inspect the mounting points. I like to use some glass cleaner on a clean rag. After our thorough inspection, let's go ahead and align this in the proper area. We want to make sure we have all of those locking tabs aligned with their corresponding ports, and we'll knock this into place. With everything in place, we'll continue on with some push clips, driving them into their corresponding areas. Now we can install our metal panel across this area. We want to make sure we have the mounting bolt ports aligned with their corresponding areas. It's time for the plastic panel. We'll align that and start in all the mounting bolts. After that, you can snug them up. Obviously, this hardware has a whole bunch of extra washers on it. We'll just reuse what we have. Snug them up. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. Go ahead and close the tailgate and confirm everything's seated properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.